Okay guys, here's a 5-star digger, post-hole digger. 12-inch auger, it's got a nice auger on it. It's 540 PTO. Right there. It's 3-point hitch, category 1 pins. Okay, this 3-point has got some weld on it, non-factory weld right here. And right here it's another piece of non-factory weld. These diggers, they get broken up. Okay, this right here would fit on this, okay? One side's fine, but it looks like you need to weld another pin on the other side just like this and get this fastened on there. Here at Bingham's, we try to tell you way more than most folks would. We try to tell you everything. And this has got non-factory weld. If you have another yoke, you put it on there. But this digger, if you look here, it turns with a PTO. The gearbox seems all right on it. That's the way it's consigned in here.